Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to crop images in Figma. Whether you're working on a UI design, preparing assets for a presentation, or just cleaning up an image for your next creative project, knowing how to crop images in Figma can save you a lot of time and make your visuals look much more polished. By the end of this video, you'll be able to crop images into any shape you like, all directly inside Figma. No extra tools or software needed. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Figma. You can either create a new file or open an existing project where you want to work. Once you're inside your canvas, the next step is to bring in your image. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping an image file onto the canvas, or by using the File menu to import it. Having your image placed and visible makes it much easier to decide how you want to crop it and which part you want to highlight. Now, when it comes to cropping in Figma, things work a little differently compared to traditional design tools. Figma doesn't rely on a standard crop tool. Instead, it uses something called a mask. If that sounds unfamiliar, don't worry. A mask is simply a way to control which parts of an image are visible. Think of it like placing a shape over your image and only showing what fits inside that shape. So here's how to do it. Start by adding a shape to your canvas. You can use a rectangle, ellipse, or any custom shape depending on the look you're going for. For this example, let's use an ellipse. Select the Shape tool from the top toolbar, choose Ellipse, and then click and drag on your canvas to draw it. Once your shape is created, position it over your image. Take a moment here to adjust the size and placement so it frames exactly the part of the image you want to keep visible. You can move it around, resize it, and fine-tune it until it looks just right. This step is important because whatever sits inside this shape is what will remain visible after cropping. Next, check your Layers panel. Make sure the shape is placed above the image layer. If it's not, simply drag it above the image in the Layers list. Now select both the shape and the image. You can hold Shift and click each layer, or drag your cursor across both elements to select them together. Once both are selected, go to the top toolbar and click on Use as Mask. Instantly, your image will be cropped to fit inside the shape. Now you have a clean, custom crop based on whatever shape you used. One of the best parts about this method is that it's completely non-destructive. If you want to adjust the crop later, just double-click on the masked group. You can reposition the image, resize the shape, or even swap in a different shape entirely. This gives you a lot of flexibility, especially when you're experimenting with layouts or refining your design. Here's a quick extra tip. If you just need a simple rectangular crop, there's an even faster way. Select your image and look for the Crop option in the top toolbar. This lets you manually adjust the visible area without creating a mask. It's great for quick edits, but masking is more powerful when you want custom shapes or more creative control. And that's it. Now you know how to crop images in Figma using masks, along with a quicker method for basic cropping. This simple technique can really elevate your designs and give you much more control over how your visuals are presented. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more practical Figma tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.